going to show you a work that's in our sensorial area. Remember, we talked about sensorial means that we're using all of our senses. Our senses are hear, seeing, right? No, let's just, you're going to say them when I point, okay? Seeing, right? What do we do with our eyes? Seeing, hearing. What do we do with our fingers? Touching, smelling, and tasting. We're not tasting anything today though, but those are our senses, and those are the things that we use when we work in the sensorial area. This work is called polygons. Can you say polygons? Okay, now you're going to watch as I demonstrate this. Okay, I'm not going to ask you to raise your hand unless I have a question for you. So I just want you to listen and watch, okay? I pick up my shape. These are advanced shapes also, I forgot to tell you that. These shapes, we pick them up with our hand that we write with, okay? Then I'm going to set it down. I'm going to trace the shape and count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. This is a pentagon. Can you say pentagon? Okay. Next shape. We're going to count. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 sides. This is a hexagon. You say hexagon? Okay. So before we go any farther, who can tell me what the name, raise your hand if you remember, the name of the first one? You remember what it was called? That was the second one. The second one was hexagon. The first one was pentagon. Very good. Okay. So I'm going to take the word pentagon. This says pentagon. Everybody looking? And I'm going to put it underneath that shape. Does anybody remember how many sides that one had? Aliana?
5.
Good. I'm going to find my number 5 and put it underneath the word pentagon. Okay? This is my hexagon. And I'm going to find the word hexagon. Hexagon. Put that one here. And does anybody remember how many sides that one had? Tucker? 6. Good. Okay. My next shape. Hold it. This time I'm going to hold it with my opposite hand, not the one that I write with. And I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides. That one is called heptagon. You say heptagon?
Heptagon.
And I'm going to look for the word heptagon up here. And raise your hand if you can tell me how many sides did we count, Eliana?
7.
7. Good. So I'm going to put the number 7 right underneath the word. Okay. Take this one out. Count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And that one is called octagon. How many sides did we count, Tucker? 8. Good. All right. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to hold it with this hand and count. Ready? 1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sides. And that one is called a nonagon. We say nonagon.
Nonagon.
And how many sides did we count on it? Raise your hand if you can tell me. Maisie, do you know? No? Soakley?
No.
9 sides, yes. Okay, we have one more. This is the last one. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sides. That one is the decagon. Can you say decagon? And Callie, how many sides did that one have? 10. Good. All right. Oh, I forgot to put our. Thank you for helping me. I forgot the word decagon. So all of those are labeled with the name and how many sides they have. I'm going to set this over here and I'm going to put them all up on the rug. What was the first one? Does anybody remember the name of the first one? Raise your hand, please. Stokely? Pentagon. Good. And that one had 5 sides. Yes. Okay. Hexagon. How many did that have? Wyatt?
6.
Good. And the next one is heptagon. And how many did that have? Callie?
7.
Good. And how about octagon? Tucker? Good. And nonagon? Wyatt?
9.
Good. And the last one is decagon. Ellie, how many?
10.
Good. Okay. Now, another extension of this work is that you can take the cards out and you can match the shapes to the cards. So I'm going to put those out. This one is the pentagon. Hexagon. Can you say them with me? Heptagon.
Heptagon.
Octagon.
Octagon.
Nonagon.
Nonagon.
And decagon.
Decagon.
So when you have it all laid out, this is what it will look like. And then you can take each one and check. Make sure it's on the right card. See how it matched? Same, and do that with all of them. Make sure that they match. If they don't match, then you have to check and say, uh-oh, did I put it on the right one? Okay, whoops. And you can also count these sides to see if they match. Okay. Good. So, who remembers what this is called? Remember what the work was called? Polygon Drawer. Can we say that?
Polygon Drawer.
Yep. Okay. And these are just like the metal insets. So they have the shape like this, and they have the inside of it. Okay. So if you would like to do this work, you know where this work is. It's the 3rd drawer behind us. Okay. All right. And I'm going to put all my work back. Now the cards are in a separate area. They're in the